Hi folks, this is homework number one, problem one, and the model that you're asked to modify to model is shown on the left side. There are different ways of doing this thing, but what I'm going to do is I will make a rectangle at the base 50 by 40 and then pad it by 30 millimeter up, and then start getting these cutouts later on. The only thing is that these dimensions are in millimeters, so I want to make sure that my units are in millimeter. So tools options under the parameters and measures, units. Right now it's inches, so I'm going to change that thing to millimeter, and that's good. And then also the sizes that are involved are about 50, 40 millimeters. So why don't I make those grid spacings in the sketcher, let's say 10 millimeters each, okay? So I go to mechanical design, which is already there, the sketcher, and for grid spacing, I'm going to make it 10. That's convenient. Oops, 10. And the graduation is also 10. Okay. I'm going to close this because I want to start in a part file. Yeah. Part. And I'm going to call this thing a homework one. Homework one. Where is this? Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay. Part name homework one. Problem one. And this is the mech design. Mech design. All right. So we say okay. And immediately I'm going to save this thing, file, save management, save as. Now I have a folder called for mechanisms right here. Yep, that's good. Problem one, mechanism design. That's good. It's going to go there. All right. So on a convenient plane, on that horizontal plane, I will sketch a rectangle that's 50 by 40. So here's the 50. And this is going to be the 40. Okay. Exit. And pad it up by 30 millimeters. All right. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take a rectangular cutout, triangular cutout here. So what do I mean by that? On that side, I will sketch. All right, and probably the easiest way of doing this thing is drawing a kind of a rectangle here. Let's see, all the way down, all the way here. But I want to make this point coincident with that point. So this point, control that point, we make it coincident. All right. And let's give some dimension. Now that dimension is 20. So why don't I make a dimension uh, from here, for example, to there, make that thing 20. Say fine. Exit. And we make a pocket of a depth of 30. So pocket 30 millimeter. Okay, so that looks good. So that's what you see over there. The next thing I'm going to do, that cutout here, I'm going to draw something on the back face and then make another pocket. So turn it around. On this back face, I am going to draw something like this. Let me see. If you look at the back face, let's see now. Basically, I have to draw something like that. See? Yeah. And then make a cutout. The dimensions I'm going to worry about later on, right? Right now, I'm not worried about dimensions. So let me enter the sketcher. Okay, so I will draw something to this effect. Let me see. Let me see for a second. Yep. So maybe uh, and if it doesn't look right, we're going to come back and fix it. All right. So this point, I'm going to make it coincident with that point. Control point coincident. Very good. Let's give it some dimension. Obviously, this dimension seems to be 25. So I'm going to dimension from here to there, 25. All right. And this dimension from here to here is going to be 10. This is going to be 10. All right. And exit. We're going to see if this is going to come out to be the thing that I want. Pocket. Pocket. Uh, keep going. More than 30. Let's see. Yeah, came out to be good. And there's so many other ways, other ways of doing the same thing. So let me save this thing and stop the video.